Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to another delicious episode. Today, I'm diving into the world of viral recipes that have taken the internet by storm. These are the recipes that have racked up millions of views and are loved by foodies everywhere. Ready to get inspired and maybe even try something new in your kitchen? Let's go! First up, we've got the world-famous Dalgona coffee, also known as whipped coffee. This whipped coffee sensation took the internet by storm during the early days of the pandemic. It's super simple to make. Just whip together equal parts instant coffee, sugar and hot water until it's fluffy, then spoon it over some cold milk. The result? A creamy, dreamy coffee treat that looks just as good as it tastes. Perfect for your Instagram feed. Next, who could forget the cloud bread phenomenon? This recipe is as fun to make as it is to eat. This fluffy, colorful bread is a sight to behold and a delight to eat. Made with just egg whites, sugar and cornstarch, it's whipped into a meringue-like consistency, baked and voila! You've got yourself an Instagram-worthy snack that's as light as air and just as tasty. Now, let's talk about the ever-popular one-pot pasta. This dish is a lifesaver for busy weeknights and a favorite among home cooks. This recipe is all about convenience and flavor. You throw all your ingredients, pasta, tomatoes, garlic, basil and more, into one pot, add some water and let it cook. The result? A delicious, flavorful pasta dish with minimal cleanup. It's a win-win for anyone with a hectic schedule. The flavors meld together beautifully, creating a dish that's both comforting and satisfying. It's no wonder this recipe has millions of fans and continues to be a go-to for many. Moving on to something sweet, we have the chocolate mug cake. This dessert is perfect for those midnight cravings or when you need a quick treat. Mix together flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and a few other basic ingredients in a mug, pop it in the microwave, and in just a minute, you've got a warm, gooey chocolate cake. It's quick, easy, and totally satisfying. Plus, it's a great way to indulge without making a whole cake. Perfect for a quick dessert fix or a sweet treat after a long day. Lastly, let's not forget the classic banana bread. This recipe became a global favorite during lockdowns and continues to be a beloved treat. It's simple yet delicious. Ripe bananas, flour, sugar, and a few other pantry staples come together to create a moist, flavorful loaf that's perfect for breakfast or a snack. The aroma of freshly baked banana bread is enough to make anyone's day better. You can even add chocolate chips or nuts for extra flair and texture. So there you have it, folks. 5 must-watch, must-try recipes that have taken the internet by storm. Whether you're in the mood for something sweet, savory, or just plain fun, these viral recipes have got you covered. Gather your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to create some culinary magic in your own kitchen. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious content. Catch you next time with more mouth-watering recipes and cooking tips. Bon appétit!